Hi. Ha. 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 What are you telling me about? Really? How high can you scream? Can you scream even higher than that? You can? What are you screaming about? Kevin, what are you doing?
Are you putting the ball in the cup and then it falls back out?
Here I come. Hi. 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 Daddy still thinks you're funny. Bite. Thanks. Thank you, helper.
You chewing on some celery?
Is that good celery?
It is. Oh. Well.
What do you think of asparagus and peas? Do you like them? Do you like asparagus and peas? Which one is your favorite? You like both of them? Do you have a big mouthful of asparagus? Oh, there it is. It came out.